Hello everybody, welcome back to Grassroots NASCAR Racing. My name is Scott and I'm just your average American guy who loves the sport of NASCAR and wants to share that with you. Now today I need your help, so I need you to comment down below in the comments section with what you think. This is something that I've been struggling with for just a little while and a project that I've been wanting to do for a long time, but I didn't think I could. But it looks like there's light at the end of the tunnel and I think I found a way to do it. So my question to you is, which car do I make street legal? Now this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, like I said, but I didn't think there was a way that I could do it because if you read into the Texas laws, it didn't look like there was a way, but I think there is. So the time is approaching when I'm going to move forward with this project. The only thing is I'm debating on which car. First car up is the Harry Gant car, the 33 car. Now, if you've seen my other videos, and I'll link to one of them above right here, this one, I'm not sure what it is yet. So I've sent pictures of it to RCR and they're looking over those pictures to see if this is possibly an old Dale Sr. chassis. If you look inside, a lot of the chassis has that poppy red color that Dale ran. And it's all over if you look in certain areas of the car. So they're looking at pictures right now to determine if this is possibly an old Dale Sr. car. Now, if it is, I'm obviously not going to turn it into a street legal car. It'll get restored and will be turned back into what it once was. The other car that I'm thinking of is the one that the camera's sitting on. The mellow yellow car. Now this one, it doesn't really have any historical significance that I know of. I believe it's an old ex-Michael Waltrip chassis from like 88, 89, somewhere in there, and it was turned into a Kyle Petty show car, but it doesn't really have any historical significance. So I think that this would be a good candidate for a street car, just in case something happened to it. It's not the end of the world. The other good thing is that this car is ready to go. I wouldn't really have to do much to it to get it going. It runs and drives great. I just had it at the track. I'll link that above too. But there's really not much I'd have to do to it. Just add the basics, the lights, a horn, a couple things like that, and I could get it done. And the good thing about this one is that because it's black, putting the lights right here, I could hide them pretty good. They're just little round LED lights. So there's not much that you would see, and I could hide the lights pretty good. So that's the question. Do I do it to this one or do I do it to that one? What do you guys think? This one would be pretty easy too. I mean, I've got plenty of room up here that I could put, the small LEDs, even right here. That would be good. But this one would require a little more work to get it roadworthy. I still need to get this engine running correctly. I haven't really driven this one too much, just kind of around the block once. I think it would probably be pretty easy to get roadworthy. But like I said, this car is ready to go. So I could get this one going and probably get it street legal and on the road in a month or less. So, like I said, tell me in the comments what you guys think. What should I do? I know it seems silly, like should be an easy decision. I'm definitely gonna wait until I hear back from RCR on this car before I decide what I'm gonna do. But let me know in the comments what you think. What would you do if you had these two cars? Which one would you make street legal? But anyway, thanks for checking in and hope to hear from you. Take care.